Welcome to the course on how to make crepes from scratch for beginners. I'm so happy you're here with me, and my name is John Madison. You might be wondering, is this course right for me? Now let me see if I can help. I designed this course for the home cook, either a true beginner who doesn't know a teaspoon from a blender, or a more experienced cook who wants to learn how to make the perfect crepe. If you're someone who is creative, interested in cooking, and most of all, you love to eat great food, then please try this course. So now that's covered, let's get into what we'll be covering in this course. The basic crepe foundation recipe, how to make sweet dessert crepes, how to make savory crepes, and even a healthy crepe recipe for those of you on a diet. Now, also in this course is included how to make crepes for large groups for holidays, and this can do with reheating and storing your crepe. And finally, the most famous French Crepes Suzette dessert recipe is going to be on here, and it is amazing. You have to actually cook with alcohol and do a flambe. It is awesome. So what are you waiting for? Please come on inside and let me show you how to make the perfect crepe.